All right, folks, we're going to have a quick look at Mr. Zippo. Mr. Zippo is a Z-litter male being developed here at Protection Dog Sales. This guy's just getting familiar with the whole ear bracing idea. So this brace kind of bothers him a little bit, but not so much that it impedes his work. So what we're kind of looking for at this stage in training is just a can-do attitude. We're not looking for a whole lot of academics. We want to see the heart of the dog. We want to see drive, the fact that he is willing to get up on these boxes and try his best. That's really what's important at this age. So Daniel's really putting a lot of emphasis on targeting, watching the hand, following the hand, and of course we got click treat methodology in play. Very much all positive reinforcement at this age. Nurture, 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 developing confidence, get that boy to be a very courageous young man one day. There he goes, look at that. And again, guys, that's literally the building blocks. Got to have a foundation to build off of, right? The better the foundation, the better the building. One more time, just for the Commandant. Good stuff. All right, guys, I think I'll wrap it up. Let Daniel and Zippo get to it. But that's Zippo, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video of this young man doing a little bit of click treat training with Daniel today in the training center.